Could space be humanity's next permanent home? Human civilization has a long and remarkable history, from discovering fire to walking on the moon. But now a question arises. Is Earth really our permanent home? Population growth, limited natural resources, climate change, and environmental pollution are pushing us to look for alternatives. And space might just be the answer. In the mid-20th century, humans ventured into space for the first time. In 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human to travel into space. Then, in 1969, Neil Armstrong set foot on the moon. These milestones were not just national achievements, they opened a new frontier for all humanity. Since then, research and exploration in space have accelerated. Today, various countries and private companies are actively planning for human settlements in space. SpaceX, Blue Origin, and NASA's Mars missions are leading us into a new era of space colonization. Much of today's research about humanity's future in space focuses on Mars. Mars is relatively close to Earth and has conditions that may support life in some form. Scientists suggest that if water can be found, agriculture and human settlement might be possible. Elon Musk has repeatedly said he wants to send millions of people to Mars in the coming decades. SpaceX has already developed the Starship, a rocket designed specifically for Mars travel. However, colonizing Mars will not be easy. There is no breathable oxygen, the atmosphere is extremely thin, and temperatures are frigid. Humans will need advanced technology, artificial habitats, and sustainable life support systems to survive. Besides Mars, the Moon is also a potential site for humanity's future homes. Being close to Earth makes travel and research much easier. NASA's Artemis program is preparing to send humans back to the Moon and eventually establish a permanent lunar base. A research station, or permanent base on the Moon, could also serve as a transit point for future Mars missions. The presence of water ice on the Moon could be crucial for future fuel production. What was once science fiction is now becoming reality. Massive orbiting stations, settlements generating artificial gravity, and asteroid mining, these are no longer just movie ideas. The International Space Station, ISS, is a real platform where constant research is taking place. Companies are already planning space hotels, offices, and even entertainment centers. Living beyond Earth is no longer a dream, it's a gradual reality. Yet realizing this dream comes with many challenges. Technological limitations, enormous costs, intense radiation, and long-term mental stress are all obstacles to keeping humans alive in space for extended periods. Still, scientists are not stopping. Through artificial intelligence, bioengineering, genetic modification, and sustainable energy systems, solutions are being explored. Humanity's future in space is not just about living on another planet. It's about creating a new civilization, new economies, societies, and cultures. Overcoming Earth's limitations, this journey could mark the next chapter in human civilization. While humanity's future in space is uncertain, it depends on what we do today. With science, research, and mental preparation, our descendants may one day truly live on a new planet, remembering Earth as the place where it all began. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about humanity living in space?